because we want to make robots even more like people so that they can replace the human at work.
Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now, did you know that while African leaders are busy becoming democratic dictators who are interested in just their personal advancement, China is busy taking their world by storm? Now, China has actually gone ahead to manufacture some robots that will be taking over your job soon. And interestingly, over 10,000 copies of these robots have been sold around the world. One may begin to ask, what exactly will be the job of these robots? It was actually in an exhibition where manufacturers of these robots came to display their robots. And interestingly, it has actually been endorsed by some international organizations. Now, these robots will actually be serving in areas like the manufacturing industry, the construction industry, the entertainment industry, firefighting, and different other areas. I'd love you to sit back and see what the world is turning into. But please, if you're new to our session, do you want to smash the subscribe button, turn on all notifications so that you can be duly informed when we put out informative content like this. Don't go anywhere. I'll be coming back to wrap up the video. My name is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV.
We have collected for you all the most interesting from the largest exhibition of robots in one video. You are on the Karos Show channel, and we are starting. The Chinese robotics market is developing more than rapidly.
Wow.
The country has been the world's largest consumer of industrial robots for 8 years in a row and is increasing the production of its own every year. There were many industrial and medical robots, robots for logistics and agriculture and construction at the exhibition. Unfortunately, the Xiaomi company, which recently presented the Cyber-own humanoid robot, did not come. Also, there was no UpTech Robotics with their walker robot at the exhibition. However, even without them, the bionic and anthropomorphic robots have become a magnet for visitors. The Chinese developer of humanoid service robots and face recognition systems, CloudMinds Technologies, brought CloudGinger XR1, which entertained the visitors of the exhibition with dances. The robot can move smoothly thanks to 34 smart flexible joints in the neck and shoulders, elbows, wrists, arms, waist and knees, equipped with multiple 2D and 3D cameras, LiDAR, ultrasonic sensors, microphones, tricycle chassis, and universal wheels. CloudGinger can also drink, move autonomously and avoid obstacles. With a height of 158 centimeters and a weight of 65 kilograms, the graceful humanoid robot has a rather attractive appearance. The scope of its use is quite extensive, from education and care for the elderly, to service in a hotel, business centers, participation in advertising and promotion. One of the brightest booths is with X-Robots, which is a leader in the research and development of China's intelligent humanoid robots, and also maintains a leading position in the world in the production of bionic skin and the ability to mass-produce bionic robots. The company combined humanoid robots and metaverse technology to create the Science and Technology Museum of the Future X project. They brought to the exhibition humanoid robots similar to the scientist Albert Einstein and Taiwanese pop singer Teresa Teng, as well as a sympathetic robot and an avatar robot. Our method of creating exorobots has been around for a long time, more than a decade. Humanoid robots are a special type of product. The degree of complexity of their production technique is the highest, because we want to make robots even more like people. For what? To allow them to better integrate into our human society so that they can replace the human at work. The most interesting exhibit of X-Robots was a robot avatar copying one of the company's employees. It uses the camera to analyze the movements and facial expressions of a person and repeats them. Another robot, according to the developers, was created in order to understand human emotions and respond accordingly. The anthropomorphic X-Robots robots have up to 140 degrees of freedom throughout their entire body and are equipped with an independently developed robot operating system. The torso and limbs of the robots are controlled by dozens of flexible drives, which makes their movement and facial expressions more realistic. The underwater bionic robot was shown by China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation. Underwater intelligent, bionic robot JSY-3 is mainly used to popularize scientific achievements. Presented at the exhibition, JSY-3 is made in the form of a featherless porpoise. There are two variations, 1 2/10 meters long and 0.5 meters. These robots can run for 8 and 4 hours on a single charge. Unitary Robotics presented several models of robots at once at the exhibition and opened the exhibition with a grandiose dance show of 100 Go-1 dogs. The company also specializes in creating a cloud system of remote control terminals for smart robots, various programs and platforms for learning, developing artificial intelligence, and cloud security. We are a unitary company from Hangzhou. Almost 6 years have passed since our foundation. We have an extremely diverse product line, including small, medium, and large dogs, and they all have different applications. Take, for example, a small dog. It is used for research, education, entertainment, and accompaniment. They can be guide dogs and keep lonely elderly people company and guard them. Medium and large dogs are mainly used for patrols and inspections in petrochemical plants and power plants. Robots Go 1 went on sale only a year ago, and the company has already been able to sell about 10,000 copies. It is worth noting that Unitary Robotics is so far the only Chinese manufacturer of robots that has received European, North American, Japanese, and other quality certificates. All robots of the company can be equipped with additional equipment, including a manipulator. A curious premiere exhibit was the intelligent jewel manipulator platform of the Beijing-based company Realman, which develops ultralight robotic manipulators. The robot presented at the exhibition is capable of performing tasks independently with one arm and two arms simultaneously as a human does. The lower part of the platform is equipped with a mobile robot that can move around and avoid obstacles. In addition, the robot is equipped with a voice module and deep vision technology, which gives it the capabilities of voice interaction and visual perception. Curious solutions for logistics and warehousing were shown by Meituan, which in 12 years managed to become one of the most advanced and technologically advanced Chinese service companies. It specializes in the delivery of ready-made food, groceries, flowers, and other goods. Meituan is also active in marketing, information technologies, supply chain management, and financing. Every day around 40 million people use its services. At the World Robot Conference, Meituan introduced smart solutions for sorting and delivery, including its independently developed unmanned delivery truck of the new generation, ability to cover 120 kilometers on city roads on one charge. The company was the first in China to organize regular delivery by autonomous robots, which are now operating in Beijing and Shenzhen. On the whole, the unmanned couriers covered 1.5 million kilometers for 800 days and delivered 2,200,000 orders. Also at the company's stand was presented a 3D sorting system, which includes moving sorting robots, a shelving system of containers for the distribution of goods, and an operating platform. The system can operate in a set mode without interruption, even in the presence of disturbances. At the exhibition, children constantly interfered with its operation, and the rhythm of the movement was not disrupted. Beijing Lesitech, a company specializing in the production of robots for emergencies, at the WRC 2022 presented its latest Scout robot to the general public for the first time. This robot is resistant to high temperatures and can withstand 10 minutes in an environment with temperatures up to 350 degrees Celsius. The robot is small and maneuverable, weighing 45 kilograms, and can move at a maximum speed of 1 2/10 meters per second and operate autonomously for 3 hours. The fire brigade at the scene of the accident can first launch the robot into the building to inspect the fire scene, assess the degree of structural damage and flame spread, and determine the vital signs of the people inside. It is also suitable for use in environments with toxic gases. The company was the first in the world to market a firefighter robot that can withstand temperatures of 1,000 degrees Celsius for half an hour. The robot has been used by Chinese emergency services for several years. There were many industrial robots at the fair.
You've seen it for yourself. Now, history actually has it that this whole development in China began after the revolution and civil war that happened many years ago. And I believe to a large extent that time is a revealer of truth. With this current revolution in Africa, I can make bold to say that freedom is coming to Africa. Please do want to share this video. I want to believe that either directly or by proxy, most of these African leaders will be opportune to see this video and get to understand what is happening around the world. Do want to also hit the subscribe button if you're new to our station. Go to the comment section. Let's get to know what your thought is about the current development around the world, and we're going to be continually here to serve you. Thank you so much to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We do not take it lightly. My name is Moses and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.